Hi friends, good morning. This is Abhishek from TechVirus, and in this video I'm going to unbox and review the new DECO M4 Wi-Fi mesh system from TP-Link. Yes, this is one of the cheapest device which you can use at home to create the Wi-Fi mesh system, which will definitely enhance the Wi-Fi coverage in your house. This DECO M4 comes with 3 years of warranty. You can see it's mentioned on the top right hand side, and it has costed me approximately 8,000 Indian rupees. Now, on the back of this box, you can see that they have mentioned that this device is enough for one floor house and it can cover up to 3,800 square feet of area. On the right hand side, you can see that they have mentioned about the specification as well as the content of the box. And the major thing what I want to highlight is like it has got dual band. It works on 5 gigahertz as well as 2.4 gigahertz. Now let me quickly unbox the device and show you like what all things comes inside. Alright, so as soon as you open this box, you will see these are the items inside. So on the left hand side, we have two Wi-Fi mesh system node, and you can even add more nodes in future if you think your house is more bigger and you need better coverage. Now in these small box, you can see that we have the Wi-Fi node adapter. You can use any of the adapter for any of the nodes, and we have the quick startup guide and the RJ45 Ethernet cable. Now let me quickly remove this cover and show you like how does the design look. So here you can see the design is very elegant. It has got TP-Link marking on the top, and then on the right hand side we have 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, and on the top we have the connectivity status LED. And in the same way like the other node also have the similar setup, it is exactly the same. It has got 2 gigabit Ethernet port and reset button and the power adapter port. So everything is same in both of these devices. So either of them can be used as the primary device and the secondary device. Alright, so now let me quickly show you like how you can do the initial setup for these two devices. It's quite simple. It just takes 5 to 10 minutes to install this completely. So how do you do that? First, you have to connect the Ethernet cable which comes with this device, and you can plug into any of the port 1 or 2, because these ports are auto sensing port. It will sense like if it is connected to a WAN cable or if it is connected to the LAN cable, so it will automatically sense and configure internally. You don't have to worry about configuring the ISP or password, PPOE password, anything. Just plug the power cable and the Ethernet cable and switch on the device. Once you switch on the device, you will see this LED light. This is light yellowish color LED light will be glowing here. So you have to leave this device for like 2 minutes. It will automatically configure, it will find out the IP addresses, and after 2 minutes you will see that this LED light will start glowing light bluish color. This means the device is ready to be configured. It has already acquired the IP address. Now it is very simple to do the configuration. What you have to do, you open your mobile, either your iOS or Android, and go to your app store and search for TP-Link DECO. So you just have to download this application and then open the application. You have to agree these terms and condition, and then you have to register for the first time. So you have to click on the sign up option and fill in all the details and then try to log in again. So once you have the user ID and password, you just have to put in the user ID and password and tap in login. Once you logged in, you have to just click on let's begin, and then you have to search what DECO device you have. So we have multiple Wi-Fi mesh system devices here, so you have to select M4. So this one is the M4 device, and you have to just see that what all things are needed. So we have already done this connectivity, and you just have to click next. You don't have to do anything. Click next, and then it will start pairing. It will start pairing the device, and now you have to define where have you kept your DECO device. So I have kept it in my hall, so I've just put living room, and then I selected next, and I have to put the Wi-Fi name. So Wi-Fi name I have kept is techvirus underscore super speed. So once it will configure it, you can see connecting to techvirus super speed at the bottom. So that means the Wi-Fi SSID is also being configured. So now I'm connected to techvirus underscore super speed. What you have to do is you need to connect another device as well, because we have two nodes here. So how to connect the another device? You have to again do the similar step, and you have to just add it. It doesn't take more than 2 minutes to add the second device. Now I have already connected both the devices, and now what I'll do, I will do the speed test here. I am approximately 5 meters away from my main device, that the primary DECO M4 device. Now let's see how is the speed or how is the performance of my Wi-Fi router. So here you can see that I have 200 Mbps speed of internet connectivity. The plan which I have is 200 Mbps, and you can see that it is reaching approximately 220 Mbps. It is more than what I have. Now the basic check is done, like when you are very close to this Wi-Fi router, the DECO router, then you are getting the optimum speed what you are expected to get. So now what we will do the real test. We will be moving away and then we'll see how is the performance. So before that, let me show you what is my plan. Just you want to see, like this is 200 Mbps plan with data limit of 300 GB. Now I've moved to another room, which is my computer room, which is approximately 10 meters from the main DECO device, and it has got one wall in between, and I'm connected to same DECO tech virus underscore super speed SSID. And now I will be performing another test and see how is the performance when I move away from the device. Last time it was approximately 5 meter without any wall. Now this time we have one wall and we are approximately 10 meters away from the primary DECO node. And here you can see that how is the performance, and it is going up to 220 230 Mbps in download, and for the upload it is going up to 130 39 40. Yeah, so the performance is good even with one wall and 10 meter of distance. Now let me show you the comparison. Like if I don't use my DECO device and if I use my normal router, and if I don't use 5 gigahertz connectivity, then you can see at 2.4 gigahertz I'm getting only 28 or 30 Mbps upload and download speed. That is very less. I am having 200 Mbps connection, but with this old router I was getting 32 to 40 Mbps connection only. Now let me quickly show you like what all features we have in the DECO app, which we have just installed in our mobile. So here you can see that what all devices are connected with your DECO app, and then you can select like what frequency you want to work in. I have disabled 2.4 gigahertz. You can enable both of them if your device does not support 5 gigahertz, but if all the device supports 5 gigahertz, please make sure only enable 5 gigahertz. That will give you the optimum speed. Second option is to how you can disable or blacklist any of the device. If you don't want any of your device to be connected to this Wi-Fi, you can just blacklist and you can stop that device to be connected to this particular DECO Wi-Fi router. Now we have many advanced settings here. We have port forwarding, beamforming, up and then we can have the option like you can use it as a router or access point. And the next best feature is like adding a profile. So you can restrict the kids profile, like it can restrict different kind of website which you don't want your kids to watch. And then you also can limit like how many hours of internet your kid can do, like on a weekday and weekend, 2 hours, 3 hours. As soon as the hour limit gets over, it will disconnect that device and it will not allow to again reconnect to the DECO router. So this is very good. Even the bedtime settings we have, like at night how many hours you want to give and how many hours in the weekend, you can set all these things. And then that's really easy. You just have to select what device your kid is using, select that device and hit done, and it will configure that particular device as a kid's device. So this is a very good parental controlling option what TP-Link has given in this DECO device. Now this is my review, and I have done testing in multiple corners of my house, and I have approximately 1700 square feet of house, and each and every corner was getting approximately 150 Mbps to 180 Mbps of upload and download speed. And also I have not felt any drop or any disconnection in the Wi-Fi connectivity. I have been using it from last 3 to 4 days and everything is very smooth and very fast. So I would recommend you to go with this device if you are planning to buy a mesh system. It is a bit costly for a normal user who is using a Wi-Fi router, but once you upgrade you will definitely see a benefit. Alright friends, so this was my complete review for DECO M4 device. Hope you liked it. If you like, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, please mention in the comments below. I will definitely respond back. I would be coming with more videos soon, so till then have a nice day. Bye bye.